Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone brightness setting guys. And today friends I will show you guys how can we turn off guys Infinix phone eye care setting. Friends you can see guys skin color is different. So guys eye care is on. So how can we off guys eye care in our Infinix phone device from phone setting guys? Today we will talk about it. So first of all guys you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. So guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys you can see this type of setting in your Infinix phone. Friends you can see guys phone display and brightness guys, we will tap here. Friends you can see phone eye care setting we will tap here. Friends you can see phone eye care guys, we will off from here. After okay we cannot use this eye care brightness setting guys, the brightness will stop, means that we cannot use this brightness setting. So like that guys we can okay phone eye care. After guys you can see skin color is default. So like that guys we can turn off guys Infinix phone eye care setting guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys, we will meet on next video.